In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repost on Meta Business Suite. We'll walk through opening Meta Business Suite, finding the original content you want to share again, and using two built-in options to reshare it. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reshare to a story or duplicate a post for your feed, then publish with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. Look for the official Meta result so you're on the correct site. Once you're there, sign in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials that are connected to your business. If your business assets are managed under a specific account, be sure you're logging into that one. You may be prompted to confirm your identity for security. Go ahead and complete that if needed. After you're in, head to the left-hand sidebar and click Content. This opens your content library, where you can see the posts and stories associated with your connected pages and profiles. It's the best place to review what's already live and decide what to bring back. Next, find the post you want to reshare. Scroll through your recent items, or use the search and filters to narrow it down by platform or date. Double-check you've selected the correct piece of content, especially if you manage multiple brands or locations. Now you have two paths. The first option is to open the Posts menu by clicking the three dots and select Reshare to Story. This is ideal for quickly giving an existing post a fresh boost in your story. It opens a composer where you can add a bit of flair before sharing. Alternatively, use the same three-dot menu. Choose Manage Post, and then click Duplicate Post. This creates a new draft using the original content, so you can post it to your feed again without rebuilding it from scratch. It's perfect for extending the life of a high-performing post or tailoring it slightly for a new audience. Once you've chosen your method, edit the post as needed and click Publish. In the editor, review the caption, tweak the wording, and make sure any hashtags or mentions are still relevant. Confirm the correct destination accounts are selected if you manage more than one. For stories, consider adding simple text or stickers to highlight what's new or why it's worth another look. For duplicated feed posts, verify the media looks crisp and the call to action is clear. When everything looks right, hit Publish. That's it, your content is now successfully reshared through Meta Business Suite.